According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, Section 240.21b stipulates that overcurrent protection for transformers rated over 600 volts nominal must be provided in the primary circuit and the line side of the transformer. However, Section 240.40 addresses the need for a disconnecting means in series with each ungrounded conductor on the secondary side of transformers also rated over 600 volts nominal. It is important to recognize that there is no specific requirement in the NEC mandating a disconnecting means in the primary side of transformers rated under 600 volts. The commentary to Section 240.40 in the 2020 NEC elaborates on this practice. It states that for transformers rated over 600 volts, the common and usual practice is to provide a disconnecting means solely on the secondary side. The rationale behind this is that the primary side of such transformers is typically connected to a higher voltage distribution system. It is then assumed that there are adequate protection and switching mechanisms in place on the utility side, effectively safeguarding the transformer and the connected systems. This is critical to understand to comply with NEC regulations. It is essential to correctly interpret and apply these code sections in practical installations. Understanding these rules is important for safety and code compliance. Therefore, if the primary side of the transformer is adequately protected by an overcurrent device positioned on the line side of the transformer, a disconnecting means is not necessarily required on the primary side. The absence of a specific requirement does not imply a lack of consideration for safety, rather it reflects the understanding that adequate protection measures are already in place within the higher voltage distribution system. The NEC prioritizes safety through various means, including overcurrent protection and disconnecting means, but the specific application of these measures can vary based on the voltage rating of the transformer and the characteristics of the electrical system. It is crucial to consider all relevant factors such as the voltage rating of the transformer, the characteristics of the distribution system, and any local requirements or interpretations of the NEC. This comprehensive approach will ensure that the electrical installation is safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and consult with qualified electrical professionals for specific applications and interpretations. This practice ensures installations meet required safety standards. It also helps to achieve long-term reliability. Remember that electrical codes and standards are constantly evolving to reflect advancements in technology and improved safety practices. Staying informed about the latest changes and updates is crucial for electrical engineers, electricians, and anyone involved in the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems. Regularly review updates and amendments released by the NEC and other relevant organizations to remain current. Participation in continuing education programs and professional development courses can further enhance your knowledge and skills in this field. Consulting with experienced professionals and participating in industry events can provide valuable insights and perspectives on the latest trends and best practices in electrical safety and code compliance. Prioritizing safety and staying informed about the latest developments will contribute to a safer and more reliable electrical infrastructure. In summary, while overcurrent protection is always required, a disconnecting means on the primary side is not always mandated by the NEC for transformers rated under 600 volts, provided that the primary is adequately protected by an overcurrent device. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and qualified professionals for specific applications.